I'm going to be changing this swiveling elbow on my hose reel. Keep watching the video. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from DoItAllSealing.com, and on this channel we do paving, asphalt repair, line painting videos, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I'm getting ready to change the swiveling elbow on my hose reel. Reason is because it's leaking asphalt sealer all down the hose. You can see it's leaking out of the seals here. So I'm going to go ahead and change this with a new one. So the first thing we got to do is I'm just going to clean up the area a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this from the hose reel. I'm just taking a little bit of gas and a towel here just to get some of the sealer off where I'm going to be putting my wrenches to make it easier access to remove the elbow. Now I'm just going to use my adjustable wrench, and I'm just going to loosen the elbow until it comes out of the hose reel. Now what you also want to do is you'll want to get a towel or something, because it's going to drip some sealer, so you just want to make sure you catch that, and to prevent spillage all over. Okay, we have it disconnected, and we're just going to catch the falling sealer just for the time being. You can even stuff something in the hole there to catch it. Now to take the swiveling elbow off your existing hose, you're gonna have to use two combinations of wrenches, either a adjustable wrench or a pipe wrench, and you're just gonna get in there, stabilize the swivel portion on the hose, and then just spin the elbow off. Once you get it to the point where it's loose, you can just spin it off by hand. And that's your old elbow. Now I'm just going to take a bit of brake cleaner, and I'm going to clean off the existing hose connection, followed by putting new Teflon tape to make a new seal. So now I'm ready to install the Teflon tape onto our connection. Just going to do that in a clockwise motion. I'm going to keep some pressure on it. I'm going to spin it around about 4 or 5 times. I want a really good seal on here. Now I'm going to install the new elbow. So I'm just going to use my adjustable wrench just to hold the connection, because it is a swiveling connection. And I'm going to just start off by using my hand, and I'm just going to turn that until I can no longer do that by hand, and I'll continue tightening that with the wrenches. I'm going to leave a link down below in the video description if you want to get one of these. Now I'm just using the pipe wrench, and I'm just going to tighten that to the point where I can't tighten that anymore. Now before I finalize the connection, I'm just going to use a little bit of brake cleaner and just clean off the area around the hose reel, just to make sure I get a good bond and it's free from sealer, and that way it's going to not be obstructed. And now I'm just going to use my hand and just snug it in by hand first, followed by using my wrenches. Now the swivel elbow is installed, and just check the mobility of the hose reel, and it's spinning quite nicely now. Everything is secure and it's completed. That's it. I just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash the bell, turn notifications on for all upcoming videos, share the video, like the video, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you next time on the next video. DoItAllCeiling.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.